I'm Professor Chad Hutchinson. I am a professor here at Southwestern Adventist University, and this is my 20th year teaching here at SWAU. The key strengths in our program are pretty much every single area that we offer. We really prepare our PE majors to go out and to teach. Our exercise science area, they are very much prepared for going out and doing the areas that they are going to specialize in and going out and to do their jobs. One area that we are developing and growing in is our adaptive physical education program that our chair of our department is overseeing. That is an area that we are growing in and making a tremendous connection in our community. Our strengths are everything that we do within our department. So I'm very, very proud of what we offer and what we do. It's amazing to see where our students have gone in their careers and how successful they have become. And it's just one of our major strengths from the very, very start to the very end, that they are very prepared to go out and do God's work. It is amazing to be able to connect with our students on a very personal level, to help them develop and to see the calling that God has for them. It's one of the things that I'm very, very proud about in our department, is how we treat our students with respect. We treat our students as people. We treat our students with dignity and pride, and we help them figure out the things that they're struggling with in life and help them find their calling that God has called them to do for the rest of their lives.